choke you down just like a pill.
First, open Photos app. And you can see like this. Click Albums. Click New Album. You can import the files you want to add. Select the photos and videos you want to add. Then, click Create. You can rename the album. After that, click Done. You can save it in OneDrive. You can also create a slideshow and add photos and videos to that. And you can share it. So, it's finished. At the top bar, click New. Click Automatic Video. Select the file you want to add to the video. After that, click Create. Name the video. Now, it's creating. It's done. If you don't like that, you can remix. And also edit it. Then, click Finish Video to export it. Click Export. To edit photos, open the photo with the app. You can edit image, rotate it, and add to favorite. And you can also view file info. This is file location, date taken, time taken, and you can also add a description. So, we can view the details of the file with the Photos app. So, click Edit Image. Crop the image. Adding filters. Adjusting the image. Light. Color. And you can also use Red Eye function. Spot fix. After editing the image, click Save a copy. Or you can also overwrite on the original file. click rotate or press Ctrl R. You can also share the photo. And create a video with Microsoft Clipchamp. And also markup. And resize the photo. Copying it to clipboard. And full screen. Zoom in. And zoom out. At the top bar, click Video Editor. Click New Video Project. Name the video. Add files to the video you want. And edit as you like. Then, click Finish Video and export video. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching.